Hey, my name is Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the pooping and farting sound effect from my _farts. Before I test this sound effect, I will preview it. It's from a video called Little Revenge vertical bracket JACHAGASSY vertical bracket gassy on my bully vertical bracket farts. It was uploaded on April 2nd, 2024. The sound length is 044 to 056. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now, I will show you this sound effect to see how it sounds like. See, this is how the pooping and farting sound effect sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet. I have to go to the bathroom and test my _farts' pooping and farting sound effect. Ugh. Ouch. I think my poop is stuck, and it won't come out. Ugh. Ow. Let me try again and use my tummy muscles once more with the video proof on there. I feel so much better. Remember kids, make sure you use my _farts' pooping and farting sound effect when you need to poop, okay?